Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most exciting thing I've seen today. Look at it. Can you see it? What do you see? Oduduwa, Oduduwa. Can you see it? This is Brazil, a carnival in Brazil. And these are the things that we do not appreciate. Can you hear that? Emagbo, Emagbo. Torah Nila Kail Africa. I don't know where we get that notion from, that we cannot talk to God in African way, except in those ways of the people who have molested and enslaved us. You see? Shango. So one idiot will come and tell me that there is nothing good about Africa, there is nothing good about our deities, there is nothing good about our ancestors. You all are joking, man. We have rediscovered ourselves. Yoda for you, mama. You see now, when we will not do research, we will not read. Any stupid thing about stuff, we not magbo. Yeah, Obakoso, did you hear that? You say, Osheja, the majestic Africana. You see, what do you say? Allah Oyo, Allah of Oyo. Do we even do this in Nigeria? Do we do it in Yoruba land? Because we are not so sure about